Hello guys, in this video I just want to talk about how I plan to approach my trading in 2025 so that I don't end up in the same spot I am currently at in this 2024. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change my style of approach to the market. What I mean by that is that the way I usually approach the market. Now I need a well structured style of trading whereby everything is going to be mechanical. Nothing is going to be coming out of my head. Everything has to be mechanical, like it has to be written down so that I'll be able to manage myself. When I'm able to do that for about 6 months, then I'll be able to prove to myself that yes, I can do this for 6 months. Because when you start doing something mechanically, what happens is that your brain start taking it subconsciously. Like now, maybe normally you don't know when you are meant to trade, but now you set the time where you are going to be trading, like maybe you trade only London section. All of a sudden, after 2 3 months, you don't even need to remind yourself that you need to trade London section. Like you just know that okay, I'm meant to be at the chart by this particular time. Like when it's not that time, you are not even in the mood to trade because it's already in your mind, like it's already in you mechanically, like it is built in you already. So that's what that's one of my plan because this 2024 I made a lot of silly mistakes when it comes to trading because I didn't have like a well strict and structured plan. And as a new forex trader, you need those strict um structured trading plan so that you don't go astray. Because if I try trading, like let me say all these top traders that have experience, they know how to manage their emotion and they also have those capital to risk. But like when it comes to traders like me and you that are just starting out, like we need that level of discipline to keep ourselves long term. So I feel like I see this is one of the approach I need, whereby um all my trading rules are going to be mechanically. I'm not going to be making any decision from my head. Everything is going to be written, and also even my trade management style is going to be mechanical. Because I feel like as if when everything is mechanical, I feel like as if it's going to work out because we are not going to be making the decision there. Because one thing I found is that when you are on a trade or when you are in a trade, what happens is that your mind start playing with you, start telling you, okay, do this, do this, do this. And that's not the ideal time for a newbie or a beginner trader to be making decision. You need your decisions to have already been made prior to the trade or something like that. So guys, that's the first. Secondly, journaling all my trades. Yes, this year 2024 I was journaling my trades. I journaled most of my trade, but like I wasn't really that serious with all my journaling. So one of my goals for this 2025 is to journal all my trades, and because of this it could help me become a much more disciplined trader. Because normally I trade about I take about 4 trades per week because I hardly see setup. So I take like 2 to 4 trades per week. That's maximum I can take is 4 trades per week. But there are some weeks that I actually took up to 10 trades. And it's not because I was seeing setup, it's just because of poor psychology or something like that, or revenge trading, especially during the beginning of this 2024, like my first quarter. I was just taking trades, I was just blowing accounts and all that. So like, but recently I've improved in a lot of things. I take maximum of 4 trades per week, and it's not like as if I'm forcing it. I just wait for my setup, I see my setup, take my 4R 3R and lead the market. That's just how I approach the market now. But in 2025, I just plan to be much more strict with everything I'm doing, journal my trades, um, take track record of all my trades and all that, so that I'll be able to have data where I can go back to reanalyze all my trades, then improve in my trading style. So these are the two key things I'm going to be improving my 2025. And I feel that if I improve these two things, I'll be able to become a profitable trader, because these are actually the main things that everyone needs to become a profitable trader. Yeah. So guys, these are my plans for 2025. And if you are interested in more videos like this, slap the like button, subscribe, and join the family. We are doing cool stuffs and we are going to be profitable this 2025. Let's go.